Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss a very fantastic app by which you can post your picture, collage your picture, and many editing you can do. So still you do not like and subscribe my channel, so first go and like and subscribe and press the bell icon for getting any new update. So first of all you have to install this app Collage Maker, so you can download from there as well. So you have to use this app. This is very interesting. This is free of course, so advertising will come here. Okay guys, so this is free of cost. By this app you can collage, editor, pip, poster, freestyle and noon. First of all we will see the option of collage. I will select the picture, some pictures. Okay, so then I will do the next. You can see easily I can collage this in a very fantastic way. What type of you want to collage, you can collage this. This is very interesting to use, and as well as you can filter what type of want you can do this. Okay, so when you will go further, you can take the styles, borders, as well as the filter and the background as well. Which background is without lock you can use, and which are lock you cannot use. So we can use this background easily. So we can apply this background easily. You can see we are using this background, and as well as which are the lock background, and if you want to use the lock background, so what you have to do, you have to see the video. You can see, then you easily can use the background. And as well as you can use the stickers. What type of sticker you want to use, you can use any kind of sticker you can use. Okay guys, so you can do the collage by this way. So I am not saving this. Then editor, when you will click editor, so you can edit the pitch easily known when you will click. So you are seeing nowadays this, it's very common thing. So you can use this known, as well as the original pic. You can see filter. Okay guys, and if you want to use this drip, you can use. This is very common nowadays. And you can put the color as well from here. So guys, this is very amazing to use. No slip you can use here. You can put the hearts, pizzas, you can put whatever you want to put, you can put. So this is very amazing to use guys. Text, if you want to put crop, so this is very good. And let's consider further, you can try by yourself as well. Again the advertisement is coming because this is free of cost. I have to close this. Okay, so you can use the poster as well. Poster you can use which are without lock, like this poster you can use. You have to download and easily you can use this poster, and you can put your pic as well. So guys, then you have to take the pic, then you have to click on next, and easily you can poster this. So this is very fantastic to use. You can see here. Any type of poster you can put. Okay, and as well as without pip you can do, you have to click on allow, and so this is very amazing editor, and you can take the picture on the spot as well. So guys, still you do not like and subscribe my channel, first go and like and subscribe and press the bell icon for getting any new update. And you can download this collage maker by my description. I have sent the link in the description, and do not forget to comment. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.